my name is Mahika and I am doing a partnership with the Santa Clara County Library District, and I am making this video to show people how to use the clone stamp tool in Photoshop. I remember when I was learning how to use Photoshop, this tool was really difficult for me, so here are a few tips that I learned along the way. So let's go to Open and Recents. That's where I have the picture I want to edit. So let's zoom in a little bit. I want to get rid of that X sign in the corner and those other two symbols in the top right. So let's just zoom in a little bit, and we're going to go use the clone stamp tool, which kind of looks like a stamp. So to use it, we're going to click Option, and then you get that target symbol. So wherever the target is, that is what is being picked up. So if I click it there, where you see that target, that is what is being picked up, and the circle is the paintbrush tool that is painting over it. So now we're done here. Let's go to the other side, and we're going to do the same thing. Just click Option and move. Okay, so now that we're done with that, let's do something like a little harder, because for this you could just use the dropper tool, pick up that color and paint over that. So let's do her hand. So you see that little plant there, we can just get rid of that. That's on her hand. So what we have to do for this one is we have to make sure we pick up the right colors from her hand so it doesn't look like you just painted over it, because it has a certain texture to it. So let's just click Option and let's just move it. The paintbrush is a little bit big, so let's just get a smaller size. So let's just pick that up and move it down. Okay, so let's just keep on clicking Option. The thing is, for this, we want to keep on changing our target point, because if you don't, then it'll look too repetitive, or you might get something that you don't necessarily want in it. So changing your target point and making sure you're getting exactly what you want and making smaller strokes is better. So here in the corner it might be a little bit more difficult because we don't want to get that band-aid out of there. Just zoom in a little bit. I'm gonna make my brush size a little bit more smaller again, so we can get in that corner without removing those lines, like the outline. So let's just pick that up and move it. And there you go. So now let's zoom out and see what it looks like. So as you can see, the band-aid looks a little bit choppy, so let's get rid of those two extra lines. But we also ended up erasing some of the band-aid. So let's just go to the eyedropper tool and pick it up right there. Now we're going to go to our paintbrush, and let's make it all the way just 1 pixel. And let's just draw across there and fix it up. There you go. Let's just zoom out, and I think it looks pretty great. Thank you.